Long breaks, summer vacation, winter vacation, all of these are given to you in the form of holidays just to break the monotony of school or college. And obviously, with the word holidays, you are reminded of fun, binge watching, maybe holiday homework. But today, I'm going to tell you how these long breaks are transformational, how they can be used for self growth and achieving personal and academic goals. So let's get into the video and talk about 10 ways you can make your holidays way more productive. Number one, and probably the most important one for you as a student, is to meet your academic goals. Do you have holiday homework? Then get done with it. Do not postpone it until the end of holidays. If you have any competitive exam to study for, then use your holidays. You have like 2 months of summer vacation. Imagine the amount of portion that you can cover in these 2 months. So try your best to meet all your academic goals in your holidays. Study day and night. Have your set of fun too. But it's important that if you have anything pending or if you have any academic goals, you're supposed to finish them in your holidays. Now, the second thing is probably you are shifting classes. Probably these are the vacations that you get after 11th grade. Then what can you do? What can you do to make these vacations so damn productive? You can plan further. So you're done with 11th grade. Why not start with 12th grade portion? Why not go through the books of 12th grade? Why not think about how you're supposed to cover this portion? Why not make a timetable on how you can improve in the next grade or in the next term? So think further. Think on the ways you can improve in your academic, personal, and extracurricular lives in this given time, because you have a lot of time to think, obviously. So yes, reflect upon your grades, reflect upon how you can improve yourself in the next term or in the next class. Well, the third and most important one, not most important, but personally I love this one, is reading beyond books. So you might see many blogs, you might see many YouTube channels which cover interesting topics about science or your subject of interest. Go through them, binge watch those videos, learn way beyond books. I swear it's gonna feel really nice when you can just flex on some person with all the knowledge you have, which you just gained over the summer vacation or over winter vacation about the topics that you like. So go for these amazing YouTube channels which give you extra information about science, about what not. So these are two channels that I found during the summer vacation of 2016, 2017-ish, and I've been obsessed ever since. And I can also give you some recommendations on nice science channels that you can go and binge watch. Now the fourth one is working on your application. So you might be students who are looking to study abroad and you need, or even in India, you need some work experience or internship or just some kind of work experience in general that you need, which is going to help you in the future. So this is the perfect time to get that internship, to get your work experience, and work on your application process so that it doesn't become really stressful while school is going on. So yeah, go get that internship. The fifth one will sound really mother-like, but then fix your schedule. Okay, I've experienced this. My body clock is completely messed up and I really need to fix it before college begins. So this is the time you can sleep at time, wake up in time, and you can get your exercise done or eat healthy and just make your entire lifestyle way more better, because a healthy lifestyle is really going to help you. You might not know it now. So yes, fix your body clock in this vacation. Apart from academic goals, I'm pretty sure you have personal goals too. So if there's a skill that you really want to learn, maybe you want to play the keyboard, maybe you want to learn art, maybe you want to be good at something, self-defense, etc. Work on it now. You have so much of time. You can improve your skills, and honestly, having some good hobby, some good extracurricular activity always helps, whether it comes to applications or satisfaction in general. Courses, just go and take up courses. So this is something I very recently learned. I explored websites such as edX, Coursera, and Udemy, and they have amazing courses on whatever topic you want. You can learn so much more than what you read in books through these courses. You can learn about whatever you want. For example, right now, I am a bio student, but I'm taking a course on CS50 because why not? It's gonna help me, it's just gonna broaden my knowledge, and it's always knowledge never goes waste, right? So take up courses if you want, take up courses in your field itself so that you are ahead of the other people in the same field as yours. The eighth one is going to help you in long term, and that is improving your English vocabulary and soft skills, because English is, no matter what, it is important when you have to survive in this world, because most commonly spoken language, and soft skills because when you're applying for a job or when you're applying for something like a leadership position, then they don't exactly look only at your grades. They need you to have these very important soft skills in order to communicate with people. So use this time, improve your English, improve your vocabulary, and improve your soft skills. The ninth one is future planning. So I know many of you aren't really sure what you're supposed to do with your future, but then use this time to see what you're actually interested in. Explore many areas, look at those areas in which you feel like you can achieve something and you have your passion towards. And once you've found your interest, then see what you can do in that field. See how you can go about it. Suppose this is my 11th grade summer vacation and I've just decided that I want to do MBBS. So what about it? What am I supposed to do now? That's when I make a plan that I have to write NEET, I have to apply outside, etc., etc. So make a plan and work upon it. Okay, so the 10th one is pretty cute. Just maintain your connections, talk with your friends, speak with your parents, and develop these personal connections because they're going to help you anytime in life. You're going to stay very, very happy when you have good relations with the people around you. So yes, use this time to catch up with people and make new friends, maybe. So yes, that's it for the video. I hope you guys learned something from these 10 tips and are willing to apply these in your vacation time. There is also one thing, I will be letting you guys know about why I'm posting less frequently in my next Q&A session. So if you have any questions for me or any suggestions about the kind of videos you would want to see, then please do let me know in the comment section or just hit me up on Instagram. My ID will also be given below. So yes, thank you so much for watching.